here we have the VideoMic Go. This is a lightweight on-camera microphone, and from some previous reviews I've seen, this seems to be quite an amazing microphone at a cheap price. I actually got my Rode mic here at around $56 to $60. The cheapest I've actually seen them go to is around $44 used or refurbished, and the highest I've seen them is around $100, you know, brand new. So if you want to save some money, you can go with the a refurbished, a used, and here what I have is an open box with a brand new microphone. So but if you do want to spend a little bit extra more dough for a nice looking box, then go ahead and buy that new box. But here we just have an open box that's never been used. The microphone itself's never been used, and we have just a little bit damaged box you can see here on this camera. It is a little, there is some tape, it's been taped up, and whoever had this last or whoever wherever just got it from must have dropped the box by accident, but other than that, it's not too bad. Just got a little bit ripped, but the mic itself is in fairly good condition. We don't need to read any of this, just 2-year warranty and all this, no batteries, lightweight, because I don't want to waste your guys' time too much, right? So let's just open this microphone up right here. Obviously right here is a bunch of tape. You can see here, it's a bunch of tape here, and well, I mean, what other damage could I literally put to the box? It's already ripped and taped up, so let's just slide this microphone out right there. Okay. So here you guys can see on the top camera, it does come with the plastic little covering there. We don't need to worry about that. Here is the part that plugs into your mic output on a camera, for example, my Canon camera, and then here is the beautiful yet small mic itself. Pretty small, around the same size as my hand. It is lightweight. It's obvious, of course, it's not heavy. Here's where it goes on the cold shoe, and just plug that. We're gonna plug that in like so, and then this would go on the mic output. So we're gonna be doing some test comparisons here with the microphones with my my built-in microphone on the Canon EOS Rebel T3, I believe, and the Rode mic itself. Which one is better? So right now this is on the built-in microphone that you're hearing this from, and we're going to be seeing if this sounds good. So let's get straight into the testing. So here is the Canon EOS Rebel T3, around, I would have to say, maybe maybe just 1 foot away, probably less than that. Usually you'd have your camera around here. So that is the test with the Canon camera. So here I am around the same distance as I was with the Canon. I believe the Rode mic actually works a lot better if you're more closer. So let me just move up closer to see if you guys can actually hear me. I'm not really sure if you guys can hear me any better. I'm really close and direct to the camera itself, and I wonder if you guys can hear me. The Rode, the mic is right there, right on top of the cold shoe above the camera. So hopefully you guys can hear me a lot better compared to the built-in microphone with the Canon in the EOS Rebel T3. So I'm gonna go down to a whisper. I know I didn't do this with the Canon test, but I want to see how much can that Rode mic actually pick up. So let's lower our voice, or I'm gonna lower my voice. So now this is more of a whisper. I'm kind of whispering too loudly. Hopefully not loud enough that you guys can hear me on the Rode mic. If you guys can, then I'm pretty much whispering for no reason. So yeah, I don't really know if you guys can hear me, but yeah. Here I am around, I'd have to say maybe 4 feet away from the Canon camera. I'm not exactly so sure if you guys can hear me well. So yeah, let's hope you guys can hear me, and hope the Rode mic turns out good as well. Here I am around the same distance, around 3 to 4 feet. Same thing what I did with the Canon. Hopefully you guys can hear me on the Rode mic. I'm not exactly so sure if you hear a big difference, but maybe a little difference. Obviously, you're not really meant to be super far away from your microphone. You're usually meant to be right in front. So yeah, let's go into the next test. Here I am outside of my room. I don't know if you guys can see me, but I am, well, speaking quite loudly. Maybe possibly yelling, not really. I don't know if you guys can hear me, so I'm just gonna lower my voice a little bit to a normal tone and see if it picks it up or not. So here I am at a normal tone. Usually I don't know if you guys can hear me. I'm not yelling, but yeah. Well, let's see if the can, if you guys heard that. Here I am outside of the room. It's pretty echoey actually, so I don't know if you guys can hear me or well or not. Kind of yelling, but not really. I'm gonna be lowering my voice now to a normal tone. So here I am at a normal tone. I'm not exactly so sure if you guys can hear me well or not. So let's go down to a whisper. So now I'm actually pretty much whispering pretty loudly. Now I don't know if you guys can hear me or not, but yeah, I don't know if that works or not. I'm whispering pretty loud, so I'm not sure. So I'm not exactly so sure if you guys heard a major difference. Maybe just, a little minor difference. I hope there was some difference in the Rode mic itself. So that's all pretty much for the review. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Oh, and before I go, I would actually like to let you know that all the products that were used in this video will be down in the description below, including camera equipment, the microphone equipment, which is, now it's just the Rode mic, and the lighting system, which, trust me, is it's just a lamp. And here's a special shout out that I would like to give out. So I would like to thank all the people that exploded my last video of me playing Pladins. That I was saying I sucked. We got like 66 views on that one, and 5 likes and some comments. And though I would just like to thank Anime Simp, Hamras, that music guy, Mr. Weaver, and the Game Mexican for all being the first one to comment and like on that video. So thank you all so very much, and thank you to the ones who even watched that video. That one exploded unexpectedly, but it still did, and I'm very grateful for that. And as you can see here, our setup is kind of Halloweeny. We have Bob the pumpkin over there. His name's Bob. I mean, we can change the name on him to Kevin, but it's Bob. Here we got Stormtrooper. Got him in Florida for Disneyland. The hat, it comes off, but I don't know. The Stormtrooper is dressed as Mickey Mouse for Halloween. Here we got Darth Vader, and yeah. Halloween set is just for today's video because, well, it's a special video because we're actually reviewing something and we don't really review too often. So yeah, for Christmas we'll probably be doing the same thing if I have any Christmas decorations laying around, probably like a little tree with some lights on it. But other than that, I do hope you guys enjoyed today's video of the Rode mic. That is the Rode mic review and slash unboxing kind of thing. So yeah, if you guys did enjoy today's video, please feel free to like the video and subscribe if you want to. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.